Hello friends, I hope you and your family are safe and well, and your Diwali vacation also completed. You enjoy the Diwali and you also studied the various subjects in a fruitful manner. Now, today we are going to learn one of the important module, that is preparation of the final accounts of the companies. Now, friends, whenever we will talk about the financial statements, which are historical documents which shows the summaries of the detailed information about the financial performance of the organization for a particular accounting period, and financial position at the end of the accounting period that we have to study. Whenever we will talk about the financial statements, there are two basic financial statements, that is income statement and balance sheet. Now, income statement, it is a statement of the revenue from operation, other incomes and expenses during the given accounting year. It indicates the financial performance of the organization for an accounting year. It is also called as statement of profit and loss. Balance sheet is a statement of assets and liabilities. It indicates the financial position of the of an organization at a certain date. It is a statement of the assets and equity. Assets includes current assets and current non-current assets, and liability includes shareholders funds, non-current liabilities and current liabilities. So friends, today we are going to study some significant objectives which will be helpful for your upcoming exams. So let us discuss some important and significant objective questions. I'm sharing my Word file. Can you see the Word file? Rewrite the following statements after choosing the correct option. Now, question number one. The question number one, the requirement for final account of companies are specified in schedule dash. The there are four options are there. You have to select for any one option. So here appropriate answer is schedule 3. Appropriate answer is schedule 3. Now second question, the schedule 3 prescribed the vertical form of balance sheet in part dash. Here answer is in part 1. The schedule 3 prescribed the vertical form of balance sheet in part 1. The balance sheet vertical format is available in the part 1. Unpaid interest on loan is now unpaid, which is not paid, so it is considered as a liability, but it is a loan. Again we can say that it is a unpaid interest, it is considered as a loan. Any amount payable within 12 months from the date of balance sheet is called, suppose any amount payable means outstanding within the 12 months, if it is within the 12 month is there, so it is called as a current liabilities. Fixed deposit with bank is a part of dash. The fixed deposit with the bank, it is a part of bank balance. Now next question, question number 6. Calls in errors is to be dash. calls in errors always reduce from share capital. Now next question. The liabilities of the company is divided dash needs. It is divided in six needs. Not a needs, it's a heads. We can put as a head. So how many heads are there in liabilities? Six heads are there. And assets of the company are divided into dash heads. So how many heads? That is here we can put as a four heads. There are two major heads are there: current assets and non-current assets. Current assets and non-current. The answer will be two heads. The debit balance in profit and loss account is to be, it is reduced from reserves. It is reduced from reserves. Next question. Schedule 2 provides for dash. It provides depreciation. Dividend paid on shares is to be dash. It shows appropriation of the of profit. Schedule 3 requires profit and loss account to be prepared in which form? It is in always vertical form. Next question. The extracts of the balance sheet and the business profile is specified in part dash of 3. So either here answer is in part 1 of 3. Schedule 3. Uncalled amount in investment in shares is shown as its uncalled amount. It's shown as contingent liabilities. Uncalled amount in investment in shares, it is considered as a contingent liability. The transfer to reserve is dash percentage. Now there is no any specification. It is always voluntary. Voluntary means it's not a compulsory. It's voluntary. Voluntary means any amount you can transfer to the reserve. The interest accrued on investment appear in the balance sheet under the head current assets. In balance sheet, securities premium should be shown under dash, where it will be shown in reserves and surplus. We studied which of the following item do not come under reserves and surplus. So here, which of the following item we can say that provident fund, this amount we will not show in our reserves and surplus. Capital redemption reserve, general reserve, sinking fund, these are the items we can put under reserves and surplus. For provident fund do not come under reserves and surplus. Sometime opening balance of the profit and loss account was rupees 7,500. Dividend paid rupees 1,500. End of the balance sheet profit and loss account was rupees 5,000. The net income or net loss was, here net loss is there because 7,500 amount is their opening balance. We have to deduct the dividend 1,500. So 7,500 minus 1,500, rest of the amount is 6,000. Now this 6,000, if the ending balance is 5,000, the difference 6,000 minus 5,000, the whatever difference is there, it is a 1,000 amount of difference. It is considered as a net loss. If it is a 7,000, in 1,000 amount of net income will come. But if it is a 6,000 balance is 7,500 minus dividend paid amount, we will reduce the rest of the value is 6,000. But end of the year Profit and loss account balance is 5,000. It means 1,000 amount is reduced. It is show as a loss. Written earning is a amount of. It is a amount of profit after tax less dividend. It is a profit after tax less dividend. Which of the following is not an example of the fixed assets? So here royalty is not an example of the fixed asset. Unclaimed dividend is shown under current liability. Unclaimed dividend shows under current liabilities. So friends, we discuss some authentic and important objectives which is very important for your exam point of view. We will discuss further lectures some important and some innovative objectives which will help for your exam purpose. Okay, best of luck. Thank you.